Decoding Culture. What makes us unique? Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cultural differences. Have you ever wondered what exactly culture means? We often hear this word, but what does it entail? Let's break it down and understand its significance. Remember, understanding culture is key to embracing diversity and creating harmony. Culture is like an iceberg. Above the water, you can see some parts of it, like food, clothing, or festivals. But much of it lies hidden beneath, like beliefs, values, and thought patterns. In short, culture is a complex blend of shared values, beliefs, customs, behaviors, and artifacts that members of a society use to cope with the world and with one another. Culture isn't just one thing. It has multiple layers. 1. Material culture. This refers to the physical objects, resources, and spaces that people use. Examples are architecture, clothing, and tools. 2. Non-material culture. This pertains to the intangible creations of society, like beliefs, customs, and languages. It's the way we think and approach problems. 3. Symbolic culture. Symbols are anything that carries a particular meaning for people who share culture. For instance, a country's flag, a religious cross, or even simple hand gestures. Why should we care about understanding culture? Well, culture shapes our identity. It's like a lens through which we see the world. It influences our values, beliefs, and even our behaviors. By understanding different cultures, we can 1. Promote acceptance. Recognizing and valuing differences can lead to more harmonious societies. 2. Avoid misunderstandings. Many conflicts arise from cultural misunderstandings. Recognizing cultural cues can help avoid such issues. 3. Enrich our lives. Learning about other cultures can add depth and richness to our own experiences. Culture is the tapestry that binds us all, a mosaic of experiences, values, and symbols. It's complex, layered, and deeply integral to our identities. By understanding and respecting cultural differences, we pave the way for a more inclusive and harmonious world. We hope this video shed some light on the concept of culture. Stay curious, and keep exploring.